Okay, I think we're live. Um, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're live. I took a trade right now. This is what we're in right now. This was just a random trade that I've been watching. Balled out on me twice. I saw that it was about to do a reversal right here, but then it didn't. I saw it was about to do a reversal right here as the candle was going up. I got bailed out of that one too, as well as this one can cut down as well because it seems there is no really reason for it to unless it hits this, which was a major reversal for this trade as well as right here. So this could be a zone that it got rejected and exactly what it did. If it breaches this again, I may drop out of the trade, but it looks like it's doing a strong reversal as of right now. It was as well as it respected this Fibonacci retracement level. It's a little off because I placed it earlier, and earlier was like different, but I could take it to the wick, but I'm not going to. It's not really useful to me anymore, but it seems to be pushing this extremely heavy, so we're just gonna wait. Let's see if I'm yeah, we're live. Why is it still up though? It's extremely heavy, so we're just gonna wait. Let's see if I'm yeah, we're live. I gotta sneeze. Okay. It's extremely heavy, so I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough. I don't know if I am. My voice kind of is raspy, so I don't really want to be talking loud. But yeah, we're honestly just going to keep an eye out on this. It might do a major reversal again. So if I see signs of a major reversal, we may drop out. But yeah, sorry, I had this stream up on my phone as well. Yeah, it looks like we're getting rejected right here and right here. We can remove this Fibonacci retracement. Just wait for it to go. This is a $9, $2.98. We have around $398 in the account, around 400. So I could risk 1% would be around $4. So I can risk 4 per trade. But this was just a random trade I threw in the air because I was watching and I had to act really quick because I was trying to start the stream. So as well as this, I thought this was going to continue on a downtrend, but it did not respect. I mean, it could still respect structure, but I don't think it's going to, as it's already failed to make a new low. It went up, went down, now it's going up again, making new high for this. So this is out of the question, not really a market I care about, but this seems very interesting to me as of right now, as it barely hit a new low. This was the newest low it could have made. This would be the structure that it had to obey. So I may drop out of this any second now. I'm not sure if I want to stay in it. Doesn't really look like it's going to do anything, as this was a breaking point. This was a breaking point. The used it. Yeah, this is heavily used. It's right there too. So yeah, we may drop out. But who knows? We could break. I just want to get in an actual market, see what it do. Break. I just want to see what it do. All right, yeah, my audio's fine. Keep checking if the audio's good, but I don't know. What are we gonna see? Could break out or it could just go straight down. If it hits $2, we'll back out. If it continues going up, then nah, I feel like it's tipsy turning right now too. Tipsy. Feels Feels like your world's spinning whenever you have to do this. Because price is very shaky. We may stay in this trade, honestly. I don't know. Price just keeps getting rejected. Like, I've been in this market 3 times already off stream. Yeah, I don't like this. I'm dropping out. We'll move on to a different market, guys. I don't really care. So yeah, that would have just gone negative again. Even if it does do a reversal, I'm not willing to play with a tipsy topsy. Like, I want a proper market, so we'll try to find one. If we don't find one, then I guess we'll just not trade today. It's only Tuesday, so not too big of a deal. Yeah, we'll go through my entire structure as well. We'll go through my structure or my strategy. So we go on the monthly, look at what it's doing overall. This could be something. What does that look like to y'all? Not much, really. I don't think that's anything. I mean, it respects the downtrend. Let's look at it on the weekly. Major support and resistance right here. Got cut off around right there as well. Yeah, it respects that line pretty well. And we could have made some money in this market. We'll mark up our support and resistance on the 4 hour. So yeah, this is major cut off. Just consolidation at around right here. Just a slow downtrend. It's disgusting. There's so many like breaking points of this market to where like I don't even want to mark it. It's just gross. That was a tipping point as well. Hit right there. Hit right there. Wasn't really respected back here, but you know, it's okay. And this is 4 hours, so whatever I mark up support and resistance on the 4 hour, it's going to be highly respected in the future, as well as this little zone that we got going on. So we'll just keep on moving on. I'm expecting this to be in a downtrend, so yeah, this zone was respected. We'll watch it come down to the zone. Maybe we can have like a new breaking point, breakout, but I'm assuming it's going to do a false tap, go out. And at that point, I'm not going to get into the market. But we could have taken this from the yellow all the way down for a sell trade. That looks great. Could have made structure right here. Price still was going down. This market's It's pretty wicky. Okay, let's go on the 30-minute. Dude, the bay. Bubba just crying like crazy. Okay, we have a zone right here. If it breaks that zone, then it has heavy pressure. Price failed to break this zone 3 times. Well, more than 3 times, but I'm just saying consecutively. One candle, then another reversal. One candle, then another reversal. One candle, then another reversal. Around 3 times. As well as it used it right here to bounce up. Keep it under that. And the way I'm marking my zones is by just the highest candle in the middle. So it created an M right here, so I want to put it right above that. I want to put it right at the wick of these candles, of the lowest wick. And yeah, it looks a little funky, but that's just how it works. Yep, price got rejected around this zone. Could still come down. Have 7 minutes on the 15, but at the 5 minute, we're going to see a little bit more detailed. So at the 5 minute, if it was in a downtrend, which it doesn't really respect downtrend because hit new highs right there, then went down. So this is a market I don't really want to get into, but Euro Chief, we can keep an eye out. We could just use this. This is yellow, right? Yeah. That's a line I do not want to see. If it breaks that, then we're not going to get into this market. If it keeps going down, we can probably get a buy trade right here. As whenever it hits this, it goes up. Hit this, went up. Regardless, we can get like maybe, I don't know how many pips. Just mad pips. We're still streaming, yeah. Okay. Let's get into another market. That is something to look at, though. Yeah. Maybe that'll break. I don't know. We only got so much money in this account. Euro USD. What market was I just in, guys? I don't even know. When did I place this fib? What the heck? Ignore everything that you see. This is just previous trades. They're not relevant at all. We'll look at NZD JPY. I was in a trade last night and I had dropped out of it. I think I lost that trade as well. Okay. Major zone right here. Broke through. Finding support. Finding resistance right here. Could break the roof. Oh, this could be a turning point as well. Get a sell trade on this. We'll just look on the 4 hour. Aha. Price could do anything right here. Come back up to this green. What do I do on the monthly? Too many lines, man. Too many lines. Looks weird whenever I do it, whenever I put random lines, but those lines are congruent whenever I move on. So whenever I go to the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, that's why there's so many lines, because there's always lines on the weekly and 4 hour. But as of right now, we could get a nice trade on this if it hits up here. If it even comes close to here, probably get a sell trade. Slowly go down. Definitely looking at this. I cannot miss out on this again because I missed out on it last time. Missed out on a buy trade for around right here. But if it breaks this zone, if it breaks this resistant line, as it looks like it already is, but it could wick down, I would really want to get into this market and hold, because I've been wanting to get into a hold trade for the longest time. Just get into a trade where it just stays. I'm going on the live stream on my phone. I don't think anyone's even watching, but you know, we're just live to go live. Just get into a trade where it just stays. If anyone's like watching this, I mean, I don't know. Just see how I trade, I guess. I'm gonna just do this for hours. Leave it up. I'm starving. About to go get some food while this moves. Yeah, price rejected at this zone. Like it did back here. So we'll just watch this trade. I'm not gonna get a buy trade off rip. That's stupid. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay. Price has broken out of the zone. Just a little bit. That's about to start a new candle, so we could see, I mean, if it stays up, if the candle closes up here, the candle closes around right here, we can see price do like this. We can see a bearish candle go down. Y'all know the deal. Come up. That's the game plan. Once it hits here, I'm risking $4, and then we'll take it down here. Crazy. I mean, don't be surprised. Look at what market did. Shot up, hit the line. Now it's, I mean, it should have came down. It's kind of weird how it's coming back up, but I'll take my chances. I mean, edge is edge. It's not like I have the prophecy. I don't know.
can save you money. It's a browser.
Live stream on the live stream. Hopefully that isn't too loud. I'm testing it on my phone as well. See how loud the music is. Hopefully that isn't too loud. I'm testing it on my phone as well. Nah, it's not how loud the music is. I think we're good. I'm gonna keep my phone up though. Alright, bet. That's the game plan, guys. If this candle falls through what's now support and closes that around right here, then I don't think this is gonna work as well as it could right now. I don't think it's super certain that it's gonna do what it's gonna do. But I do want to see it come down to this support and bounce back up. That's the game plan. We are on the 15. We should be on the 5-minute for more detailed. Well, no, we can be on the 15. 15's better for what's important. And price is struggling to break this zone as well, but it's pushing with some energy. So it's doing more than it's ever on this zone. So we could see a breakout from this, as well as this is a major support, or this is a major zone as well. Pretty sloppy, but it's there. I should probably remove this. Yeah, we'll remove it. It's not that this is important on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, you can see why it's here. We should put that right there. You can see why it's here on the 4-hour. Price just consolidated around right here, bounce right back up. So we're gonna go on the 15. Yeah, that's way more important. That's way better. Boom, 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 boom. And yeah, that's what it's doing. I don't really have a plan for this market. I don't think I'm going to join. I don't think I'm going to do anything or purchase anything from this market. Nor am I going to get in on this market either. Still here, guys. We're just honestly waiting for any entries. Looks like price got rejected again. Now we're gonna see a downtrend, but we're just waiting. There's not much to really do in trading except just waiting, honestly. Waiting is key. Okay, we broke zone. I'll get into a buy trade if it hits around here. But this is also super weak. Like, this is a weak zone when it comes down to it. Price is still hesitating to come down. I can't get an entry for a sell trade anymore. So we're just waiting. This is a selling market though. I can say that strongly. Nice. Exactly what I said. Came down. Boom. Not in a separate candle, but generally, yeah. Bro, I'm mad hungry. Huh. laptop. Okay, in the meantime, we'll get into, oh, look at that. Price is really getting rejected. I just don't know what to do with this market. Like, I can't sell trade. I didn't get a good entry. Now I have to wait for it to hit zone. And then once it hits zone, it's not even for sure that it's going to go back up. It's not a solid market. So we're going to try to get into an actual trade right now. It is 10:31. Let's see if we got any markets open. So what we're going to do. Oh, USD try is just really nice with trends. USD try is always beautiful with trends. Oh, never mind. Market has been garbage. Consolidation at the max. Broke out though. That's good. USD try. Whoa! Look at that. That's nice. Got a nice zone right here. Let's look on the 4 hour. What are we doing? What is this? Get that out of here. As of right now, we have hit a double pivot zone. Oops. Okay. Let's look where we were previously up. So this is a level that we have hit before. Dude, why? Okay. This is a level that we have hit before. Right here, once we hit this, we went down. Once we came near, we came down. So we could be seeing selling pressure as well as we've seen consolidation at around this area. So we need to mark this. If price breaks this, then there's a lot other things that we could expect. Like right here and right here. These are just points where the market broke down. Major parts in the market. So this is what I want to pay attention to. This is what you see on the monthly whenever I go to the monthly, and it's like heck of lines. Yeah, so 4 hour not looking too good, and these are major zones. Oops. Okay, so now we can go to the 30-minute, see if it revolves. It's always super laggy. Can never go back that far. It's fine. We know that they're important, so it's cool. Let's just see what price does. It may consolidate around this area like a zone, so we'll just have to wait and see. This market isn't too like good. Let's see an uptrend right here though. That looks good. Took that wick to wick. Not important. Stupid things like that aren't important. You may be able to get into a buy trade with this. I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable getting into that market either. But yes, price has hit. Ooh, that's not a good sign. What is that? An evening star? I don't know. Yeah, I expected that. That's price action right there. It's okay. It'll come up eventually. But anything can happen. So we'll just wait and see on this market. That's why I didn't get into a buy trade either. I knew there's a chance that it won't even come up near. There's a chance that it'll just straight up drop from here. And at that point, I can't even get into the market if I was trying to hold. And that's what I'm trying to do with this market. Yeah, I'm not really into. I mean, I'm into trends, and I'm into trend trading, and I'm into just straight up intraday trading, just holding it. I guess, yeah. Honestly, we're just waiting. I need to eat something. I'm starving. Hungry. I'm listening to my MacBook. Alright, we're just chilling now. We could get an entry on this market, but since this is a major resistance, I don't know if I want to get into this. And we're seeing a nice reversal pattern right here, but I bet that's false because we had all this pressure. That can easily go up, eat this candle with an engulfing bullish candle. Well, this will be an engulfing bullish candle if it comes all the way up here, or a metabolic candle. But there's a high chance that that'll just get straight up rejected again. That happened to me earlier as well. And yes, this is price action right here. I think this is an evening star or whatever star that is, something like that. Price isn't really rejected right here either. Let's just see, 5 minute. Yeah. We'll watch on the 15. I'm not too interested on the 15 minute. I mean, I'm not too interested on the 5 minute because I'm talking to no one. It's so weird. What are we doing here? This looks just like in ZDCAD. This is what my trading looks like, honestly. I don't really like the markets today. We could get in on this. This looks promising. Took in the 4 hour. I must have taken this trade earlier, I don't know. Anyways, 4 hour. Let's look for major support and resistance. Probably cut off right here. there. We can get it right here as well. Since price came up right here, and it came up right here, and it came down and went up, as well as this one. Price just got rejected right there. Price tried to come up and got rejected somehow. This is the zone for that. Okay, so yeah, I'm honestly just waiting on all these markets. Recap. We want this to shoot back up, hit this major resistance line, as well as right here. Yup, dude, I literally said this earlier. Price is gonna Maribozel up and then get rejected again. And oh my god, if you go back in the live stream, I literally said this was gonna happen. That's crazy. Price action is crazy. I gotta clip that. That was funny. Okay, but 1 hour. Price is struggling. 30-minute. Yeah, price is getting rejected. Long wicks to the downside. Looks like I can get an entry on this if it ends up doing a turnover. What'd I say? This could be a nice reversal. Look at that. We're seeing we're seeing a lot of price action today. Like, if this stays like this, I'm looking to get an entry at around right here. If this price comes up to here, we got to see what it's doing when it comes up to there. Price comes up, wait for it to come around here, see if it consolidates. If it consolidates, we'll wait and see if it comes up to the other zone. If it comes up to the other zone, we'll go for another sell trade. But as of right now, we're just waiting. I don't really, this isn't telling me enough to go into a trade. Rejected. Solid. Stop. Get rejected. Honestly, with trading, I'm just looking out for trades, and then I just play video games, or like not video games, but I usually just go on my phone and play Brawl Stars. There's not much to do, and I can't just sit here and look at the charts 24/7. Like nothing's happening right now, so I can't get into a trade. So there's no point in watching it. I know that nothing's going on, so I usually just go on my phone. People make trading look like you're just staring at a screen 24/7, but I'm literally just on my phone sometimes, just waiting. And if I'm in a trade, I usually just press the trade and just go sit on my bed and do something else. Maybe watch some videos about Forex trading. I try not to watch too much garbage that's just poisoning my soul. That's Forex life for you. That is the Forex life. Price is reacting at this level, so all we do is wait. Can't.
bad.
Okay, we're seeing price hit the 0.2. Yeah, today's pretty slow. I don't know if I'm gonna take these markets, dude. They're just dead. Ignore all of this. It looks so bad. Oh yeah, this was the trade I lost last night. I had placed this last night, had it around like a $55 gain, a $4 loss. Price went up. I took this trade. This was going down, and I was like, okay, it's about to hit structure. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna just hop in this trade, and I gotta get an entry, I guess. And got in the trade, went all the way up here. I was sleeping at this point. This was like 3 a.m. probably, and price hit up here, didn't hit my stop, my target, and I took a loss on this trade, and that's just what happens. So complete send on this one. It could have taken like $40 from this, lost it, but it's cool. It's cool. Things happen. As well as these were hit. Yeah, you see what I was trying to do here? I thought it was gonna hit, but apparently not. It's fine. So now this market is garbage. As well as this one. Nice reversal. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take any of these trades. I might quit the live real quick. Maybe come on later if I'm trading. Yeah, it's 11:11 too, so. See y'all.